Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets to graph histogram and also produce some summary statistics for quantitative data. Here, I have collected two samples, one from each population, so scores 1 from class 1, scores 2 from class 2. They are both quantitative continuous data, and I want to graph a histogram for them. So I'm going to do them one by one, so copy this over. The first sample quantitative data and create a new worksheet and paste the data over here so we can just concentrate on working on this. To graph histogram, you can just click this icon, insert chart, or you can call insert chart here also. Okay, so let's just press this icon. Because I have selected the data, so this is the input data range. If you haven't selected, you can click on this and then just select your data this way. And these are the recommendation graph that Google Sheets thinks you would want, and one of them will be histogram. So what you can do is you can click on this, and if this histogram doesn't show up, you can click on chart type and scroll through the types that is available. One of them, this one would be a histogram chart. If you zoom over, them, they would tell you what kind of graph you have. So we have selected this histogram, and then we are ready to customize it. The three things that we want to customize would be the title, axis label, and also like the size of the bars. Titles, the default one is histogram of scores 1, so maybe I'll just say histograms of scores from class 1. And then the second thing we want to do is the bucket size, meaning the width of each bar. By default, Google Sheets select one that's convenient, or they think that it would work for you, but you can pick your own to match your frequency distribution. In my case, I wanted to fine-tune it to 10, so I do 10 and it would adjust the bars for me. The next things you want to do are the two axis label. I want to do the vertical first because right now it's blank. So for the vertical, I want it, this is actually the frequency, so I just do that. And then for the horizontal, it should be scores, right? Test scores from class 1. And I change it. Now for the horizontal one, see how it starts from 20 to 100. To match whatever I have set up from my frequency table, maybe I want it to be 21 to 90 because that's what I have. My lowest class limit was 21 and my highest is 90. So see how it would change to my preferred bucket size and also my lower limit and the highest upper limit. And that's it. That's what I need, and I do insert. Now in case you forgot something, maybe see here I forgot to do the legend, I can still clear it, or you can click on this icon. It would let you, no, not that one, this one, and then click advanced edit. It would show you how to do, it would bring you back to customization so you can customize the histogram again. So with the histogram done, let's work on getting the summary statistics. There are a few summary statistics that we're interested in getting. Mean, standard deviation, no, median, mode, standard deviation, which is the sample standard deviation, and also range. So for the mean, we do equal. So if you enter equal, Google Sheet would know that you are trying to call a formula function. And then the function that would do this is called average. Equal average, open parenthesis. Just highlight that data values, and then close parenthesis and enter. Median, median, open parenthesis. Select the data, and press enter. Mode, M-O-D-E, equal mode. Select the data, press enter. Standard deviation, this is a sample standard deviation that we want because this is not a population but a sample. So STDEVA, A for sample. Open parenthesis, select the data, close parenthesis, enter. Range is like the difference between the maximum and minimum. So what you do is you do equal, not equal range, but equal max of all your data. Select it, close parenthesis, minus minimum, open parenthesis, select the data again, and then press enter. So that is the range. So there you have all the important numbers that you need for summary statistics for your quantitative data. For the second one, you go back and cut and paste, copy and paste this to another worksheet and repeat whatever that you have done in here to create another histogram and another summary statistics for the second set of sample.